So a z-score is very, very important because it can give us a sense of where an individual value lies inside the distribution. First of all, let me write you the type of the z-score. Let me write it here. Z equal the value minus the mean counted in standard deviations divided by SD. So what this typo tells us, let me highlight this. Fantastic. The Z score is actually the distance of a value from the mean counted in standard deviations. We use this formula to calculate the Z score of every individual value given a known normal distribution. So let's see an example. If we have a normal distribution with mean value equal, let's say 5, and standard deviation equal 0.2, let's say that, and we would like to calculate the z-score of the value 5.5, let's say that, then using the formula we have z equal 5.5 minus the mean, it's 5, divided by 0.2. So this is 0.5 divided by 0.2, which is equal to 2.5. So actually, if we have this normal distribution, then this value lies somewhere here, 2.5. A z-score can be either positive or negative number. Positive means that this individual is higher than the mean of the population, while a score, a negative z score means that this individual is, let's say, less than the mean of the population. So actually a z score is a way to understand where an individual lies compared to the mean of the population. Let's say that if it's close to the mean or far to the mean. If you have any questions, please write me in the comments and follow me and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you very much. See you the next time. And until next time, take care and have fun. Bye bye.